How to use Amazon coupons. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right in. Start by heading over to your application Amazon. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is move into any of the product that you want to purchase on Amazon. So let's say I want to purchase this. Click on it. Inside the item, if you want to purchase it, at the bottom you'll see the option of buy or add to cart. But for me, you can see it says this item cannot be shipped to your selected delivery location. Please choose a different location. It means that this application is not available in my country. But for you, if the option of buy is available, then click on it. And then click on add a payment method. In the section of payment method, you will see the section where you'll be able to add the coupon codes. Simply enter the code that you have it, and with the help of that, you will be able to get certain amount of discount or offers. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.